How to get best Careem discount promo codes. Now in this video, I'll show you some specific leads for you to be able to use discount codes, voucher codes, or any type of codes where you can lessen or stretch down the actual price on Careem. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to open up any web browser available on your end and type in couponchief.com. Visit this site right here, it's totally free. Go into the search stores and type in Careem, usually located at the very first result that is saying the save of 50%. Now there are a lot of codes right here that you can use or even offers, but what you want to have to do is to click this option here that says get promo code so that you will have a copy of that unique code where you can paste it into Careem. And that's how you get best Careem discount promo codes.